Elevated slight risk in the panhandle. Got a little mini convergence here. McLean, Texas. We're just waiting for stuff to fire. It is just about 1 o'clock. The models have been looking really good. A lot of good preset breaking out in this way. We're probably going to hopefully score some good tornadoes today. So 1:20 p.m. Still waiting for initiation. We'll get there. GoPro ready?
Locked in, man. Ain't going anywhere. They said everything's going to be high base today. We got low winds.
Hear people so happy for 10th of inch of rain before. That loops you around to 70.
Back away and it goes right to Highway 70.
Is a golf course or something out there?
Well, let's back and forth towards town.
Wall cloud in front of us. Wall cloud over there, lowering over there actually. We are just east of Dodson, Texas. Just crossing into Oklahoma. New wall cloud. Big tornado. Alright, we're just gonna keep going. Yeah, there it is. I can see the right edge of it. I can see the right edge of it. It's a tornado on the ground. Tornado. That's a tornado. Just keep it open, Jake. Take pictures, man. My camera's in the back. It could be multi-vortex. It's included. Let's pull over. I want to get some picture of the structure. Really? It's so close. See it?
Yeah, barely.
See it? Look. See the edges of it?
Yeah.
Damn it. Oh, the structure to die for.
I know. The structure won't be there. I just want to get to that north route so we can get in closer.
Oh, tornado on the left! Oh, shit!
Pull over.
Okay.
Yeah, tornado on the left, 830, tornado coming down, stovepipe.
Tornado on the ground.
Damn
it. Brady, there is a huge tornado in there, I know it.
Yeah, we need to get north. That was satellite.
Look, there's another one. There's a white one. There's another satellite.
Sorry.
That's 3 tornadoes right there.
Am I in my shot or am I good?
Brady, hurry up. Make it quick. Yeah, there it is. The white funnel right in the middle.
We should get some light in there. Let's get north.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, wow. That's, oh, God. Here it comes. No, why did you autofocus?
Come on.
There's a big one in there right now.
Big one, right? Yeah,
there's a big one in that rain.
Right there. I was about to say, is this actually the edge of it over here?
Yeah, that's just a satellite. There is a big tornado in there.
Let's get north. I want to get to that highway.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go north, guys. We'll get a highway. We can go north and get a lot closer to it.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Down. There it is. Large tornado on the ground. We are, where are we? Northwest of Mangum. We're northwest of Mangum. Large tornado on the ground. Satellite and 2 satellites. Woo! Yeah! Oh my God! Don't get him.
Yeah, no. Driver needs to drive.
Okay. We did great. We did great. Yeah, keep trucking. There's the funnel on the right.
Like dips down. It's like.
Oh, look, there it is. There it is in the middle. There's a funnel. It's going down. Oh boy.
There it is.
Holy shit. I would say that's on the ground. Yep.
Yeah, it's on the
there
ground.
It is. Number 4.
Yeah. Jesus.
Wow, that's a pretty nice looking one right there. We're looking back towards the town of Willow, Oklahoma. Why does he set up way over there?
Why did you set up way over there?
I need my 250.
Oh, looks like it's going back up.
Yeah, it's wrapping up in rain and kind of going back.
Tornado number 5.
There's another tornado.
Beautiful tornado.
Roping out, Brady.
It is? Is it roping? Yeah, we got another one. You want to get to the north route now? Or? Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it's roping out.
Is that number 5?
It's number 5.
One more and we beat text line.
One more and I tie with Tipton.
Alright, let's move. It's roping.
Oh, hold on. Let's just watch it rope.
Oh, that's going to do something pretty incredible now.
Wow, nice rope. I can see the top of it now.
That was beautiful.
I can see that. Looks like that's being cut off completely over there. But like
This wide area right here and right in front of us, it's kind of interesting. A lot of lightning out here on this side where the inflow tunnels.
there's just north fire
It's probably
down on the
done.